Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what are the individual stock movers in trade and what the market is up to this afternoon as well. Talking about the benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty, both trading in the red, seem to be under pressure as well. Sensex down more than 150 basis points, down almost 0.3% in trading around the 52,300 levels, while Nifty is down and trading around the 15,700 mark as well. Now, when you talk about the broader market, that also seems to be performing in tandem with the benchmark indices and are trading lower and in the red. So overall, the market surely are trading in the red this afternoon. Now, let's have a look at what are the individual sectors that have been actually dragging in trade and which are the ones actually that are managing to stay on the positive side. So when you look at overall the sector wise, we are seeing that financials, metals surely are dragging today in trade, and most of the sectors are trading in the red this afternoon as well, except for FMCG. Seems like all the other sectors are actually trading in the red. FMCG and IT just managing slightly above on the positive side. Other than that, everything trading in the red. Metal especially dragging the overall market as well, down almost 1.5% in trade. Now let's have a look at which are the individual stock movers in trade this afternoon. So in the gainers, we do have Somany Ceramics, which is up as much as 10% in trade after a solid set of numbers reported by the company. The company has actually swinged into a profit this time of around 31 crores versus a loss last year, and the revenues of the company have also jumped by 58.8%. Moving forward, we do have CESC also, which is in focus today, up as much as 2 to 3% in trade, again on the back of its numbers, an upbeat set of numbers posted by the company. Profits have risen by 15.6% on a year-on-year basis. Also, the revenue growth is coming at 10.3%. So surely that is something interesting coming in over there, as well as the board has also approved a 10-for-1 stock split as well. So surely keep an eye out on CESC going forward, but today buzzing in trade up as much as 3%. We have Federal Bank also, which is in focus, up as much as 1.2% in trade, following the fundraising plans that the company announced. The lender said that the board has approved to issue around 104.85 million equity shares to International Financial Corp and its associates at 87.39 rupees per share on a preferential basis. So they'll raise around 961 crore rupees. So surely keeping focus on Federal Bank as well. We do have ISGEC Heavy Engineering also, which is in focus. The stock has climbed as much as 3.5% in trade after the company gets orders from for Tata Projects, and now that is something interesting coming in for ISGEC as well. Among the top losers, we have Welspun Enterprises, which has fallen as much as 3.1% in trade today on the back of lower quarterly profits by the company, where the profits have slumped actually by 54%. So some pressure building in on the stock over there. And lastly, Punjab and Sindh Bank also in focus. It slipped as much as 1.2% after the lenders have actually declares its exposure to about 215 crore rupees to Landco Infratech as for fraud. So surely keeping that in focus today and keeping the stock under pressure as well. So these are the main stock movers in trade this afternoon.